On-screen title: How to Calibrate iPhone Touch Sensitivity Quick and Easy. Narration: If your iPhone feels too slow or way too sensitive when you tap and swipe, let's quickly calibrate your touch settings in under a minute. Narration: Start on your home screen, then tap the Settings app. On-screen label: Step 1, Open Settings. Narration: Scroll down and tap Accessibility. On-screen label: Accessibility. Narration: In Accessibility, choose Touch. On-screen label: Touch Settings. Narration: Here's where we'll fine-tune how your screen reacts when you tap, press, and hold. On-screen callouts: tap, press, hold. Narration: We'll adjust 3 key areas: touch accommodations, haptic touch, and keyboard settings. On-screen checklist: touch accommodations, haptic touch, keyboard. Narration: First, tap touch accommodations. Turn it on if your taps don't always register. On-screen label: touch accommodations, on if taps miss. Narration: Adjust hold duration and ignore repeat so the phone only reacts to intentional touches. On-screen callouts: hold duration, ignore repeat. Narration: Next, go back, then open haptic touch. This controls how hard and how long you press. Narration: Choose fast or slow, then use the preview image to test how the screen responds. On-screen labels: fast, slow. Test here. Narration: Finally, for typing, go to Settings, then General Keyboard, and turn on options like Key Repeat or Slide to type if they help you. Narration: Once everything feels right, you're done. Your iPhone Touch is now calibrated to match how you really use it. On-screen text: calibrated, feels just right.